What's up guys? Today's video is on the 5 best drone on Aliexpress 2022 through extensive research. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the drones, I have included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with HORSON XENO Mini SE 4K Camera Drone. It has deep algorithm of image denoising which optimize your low light shots. Having a 1 or 1.3-inch complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, it supports smooth 4K, 30 frames per second video, HEVC 200 Mbps, and 48 megapixels photos. It has built-in embedded multimedia card 64 GB or 128 GB, which gives you the ability to share your video to media easily. It has higher dynamic range feature that can optimize your low light shots. It has a vision obstacle avoidance feature and advanced 3D space perception algorithms to enable the camera to capture more than 600K space feature points with depth extraction and calculation reaching 15 meters of cognitive distance. Its optical flow night light ensures your hovering performance in low light circumstances. It is applied with the new eye tracking algorithm 3.0, which brings a huge improvement in tracking latency and tracking accuracy, and can locate the figure and animals or moving vehicles easily and automatically. It is built in with an intelligent battery management unit with capacity accuracy statistical and on-off control algorithms that ensures your flight is safe. It provides max flight time of 40 minutes with its 2,400 mAh capacity. Up next, we have WLRC SG906 Max 2 GPS drone in our list. It has mechanical stabilization and 3-axis coordinated operation, so the lens remains stable at any time and provides you with stable and smooth clips. It reduces the wave pattern of the picture and helps you to create smooth and stable blockbusters. The built-in electronic image stabilization electronic anti-shake chip effectively eliminates the shaking of the picture caused by flying and makes the shooting is clearer and more stable. It has GPS satellite positioning and 4 return home functions. It will return home when the battery level is less than about 25%, when the remote control distance is exceeded, when the remote control loses signal, and if you click the button to return home. It has also GPS follow surround system. It has automatic follow, 360-degree high-altitude surround shooting which will help you collect gem clips. By drawing the designated flight line map on the app map, you can make the drone automatically follow the designated location line to fly. With breakthrough technology of fixed height, it can give you flow positioning indoors. With dual positioning of GPS, it can give you optical flow outdoors, to accurately fix the points to maintain balance. It has a quick editing feature. If you enter the MV production interface in the app, you can quickly edit things. It has an upgraded 7.6-volt, 5,000 mAh high-density lithium battery that provides long-lasting battery life of up to 30 minutes. The very next drone we have is Autel Robotics EVolite Plus drone. It has an intelligent moonlight algorithm, which works with the 20-megapixel camera and 1-inch complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor to capture vibrant nighttime details, even at high ISO. Whether you shoot high-resolution stills or high dynamic range video up to 6K resolution, it allows for manual control over exposure and depth of field, letting you adjust the aperture between 2.8 fit and 11 fit. It can also automatically balance overexposure and underexposure and ensure you clear images and videos. This quadcopter will create dramatic, professional-level shots at the touch of a button with 4 automatic shooting modes including flick, rocket, fade away, and orbit mode. You can add a soundtrack and filters in the Autel Sky app to make the videos more epic, allowing you to produce unforgettable results whether you're a veteran pilot or completely new to the drone game. It incorporates an advanced obstacle avoidance system to keep it safe while flying. With its 3-way binocular vision sensors, enable the drone to perceive obstructions in front of it, behind it, and below it. If anything comes into its path, this drone will automatically brake and hover to avoid a collision. With its large battery capacity, it provides a flight time of up to 40 minutes, which allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Furthermore, we have Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus drone in our list. It has a so-called RYYB sensor design that replaces the green pixels in the 3 primary colors with yellow pixels. Compared with the traditional RGB array, the RYYB color filter array can increase the light input by 40%. It is paired with a large aperture of 1.9 which provides noise reduction capabilities and the power to effortlessly produce quality images in low light conditions. Weighing only 249 grams, it is almost as light as orange, and its foldable and compact body design makes it exceptionally portable. Its design makes it possible to fit from the side pocket of your hiking pack to the palm of your hand. The Nano series is probably the first and only aircraft series of its size to offer an advanced obstacle avoidance system, making it the obvious choice for users looking to avoid crashes and preserve the life of their aircraft. With its 3-way, binocular vision sensors that enable the drone to perceive obstructions in front of it, behind it, and below it, it can easily brake to avoid collisions. It can fly continuously for 28 minutes, which means plenty of time to experiment with creative angles and dream up inventive shots. We can finish it up with FunSniper Diva drone. When it is folded, it is almost as small as a regular smartphone. This compact and portable size gives you the power to take it anywhere and anytime you want. If you draw a flight trajectory with geofencing on the mobile app, you can make it fly according to the designated trajectory. It has a map function that can switch satellite map modes and will accurately display the position and direction of the aircraft in real time. You can automatically create professional shots with its one-key shot feature without taking much hassle. The one-key shot selectable modes are Drone, Rocket, Circle, Follow Me, and Helix. These modes will let you get started quickly to enjoy the fun of flying and filming. It has a first-person view intelligent somatosensory control mode that can bring a more real, more exciting pilot perspective. You can feel the world of immersive flight. It has a vlog mode that uses the combination of preset camera shooting, preset filters, and music to help you complete video shooting, editing, and sharing exciting moments. With a 2,250 mAh LiPo3's battery, it provides flight time of about 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you like the video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys later.